So hi and hello there. Welcome to the new video of the course, and in this particular video we are going to execute, or basically we are going to run the equation that we had seen in the previous video. Okay, and then we are going to check whether we are getting the same kind of line or the same kind of what I can say straight line which we had obtained in the theoretical session, right? So for that, what you need to do, you need to execute this particular software, you just need to execute that particular equation in this particular software, that is Desmos. Okay, for that what you need to do, just go on Google and type Desmos. Okay, just go on Google, type Desmos, visit this particular first link, and if you want you can sign up, or you can directly start using this particular thing, that is click on the graphing calculator, and then as you can see you are getting this kind of interface over here. So I'm directly jumping to the equation part, that is y is equivalent to 2 into x plus 1. Alright, so as you can see over here we are getting this particular equation. Just a second, let me use one pen over here. And as if you could remember, we had seen the earlier session that this particular line should pass from 1, and that means what, c is equivalent to 1, right? And obviously over here what we were getting, we were getting the value of this particular thing, that is minus of half, I mean x, extremely sorry, we were getting the value of x as minus half, right? And as you can see, from x it is passing from passing from minus half, okay, on x-axis, and on y-axis it is passing from 1. That means what, our c is 1 and our x is minus of half. So I hope now you understood this particular thing. Okay, so thank you for listening patiently. I'm ending this video over here. Thank you.